What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Call One and Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. And we have a good one today. It's the brand new Yealink WH64. Stay tuned. So one of the reasons I'm so excited about the Yealink WH64 is that it's the first and only DECT plus Bluetooth headset. Now I know you've heard of other headsets that have multi-connectivity that include a DECT headset and there's Bluetooth in the base, but this headset has both a DECT and Bluetooth chip built right into the headset. That means you're going to get all the benefits of DECT, like increased wireless range and increased security for maximum privacy in your calls. But by including Bluetooth, you're going to increase work flexibility. So whether you work in an office, hybrid, remote, or wherever you happen to work, you're going to be able to use the same headset. And the WH64 is the first dual wireless mode headset to be certified for UC, including Microsoft Teams. So what does the Yealink WH64 connect to? It connects to a IP desk phone, compatible IP desk phone, computer, and a mobile device. So contact an authorized Yealink reseller like Call One and Hell Direct to check compatibility. It includes Acoustic Shield Technology 2.0, which utilizes 3 microphones for noise canceling in the mic. And so we're going to go ahead and test that. So we're going to do some Teams calls, some Zoom calls. We're going to run that blender so that you guys can hear how well the microphone suppresses this background noise. It's got super soft ear cushions and a heavily padded headband, and it just feels really good. I'm able to wear it all day long without and with glasses. And the outside speakers have a busy light so that people can see when you're on a phone call so they don't distract you. But anyway, enough chit chat. Let's do a quick unboxing and then let's get to some tests. Okay, so what we're going to do now is the type test. So I haven't done this in a while, so I'm going to start trying to reincorporate this back into our headset test. So I'm sitting here at my home office, and let's say I'm typing away or wherever I'm sitting, and I start typing. So here I am. Yes, customer, I'm typing. That's probably extreme. No one's probably going to do that. Maybe they are. Maybe they're upset with whoever they're speaking with. But yeah, this is me typing. I'm just now like rubbing my keyboard here. All right, so there you go. Now let's go on to the TV test, because that is still a thing that exists in people's homes or wherever they may be working, whether it's a hotel lobby or some restaurant or wherever they happen to be, and there's a television in the background. So let's play a television in the background. Okay, so this is the max volume level.
Well, in large part because over the last week or so, we've seen numerous fires.
Sound like if you're using the Yealink WH64 and someone was blaring the television this loud. All right, it's highly unlikely anyone's going to be playing the TV that loud, but just in case they were, that's what it would sound like. All right, let's go on to the next test. All right, so I'm going to test the wireless range of the brand new Yealink WH64 in a Zoom meeting. So I have this recording over here as I'm going to head out to my mailbox. My mailbox is approximately 139 feet from my office here. And so let's go take a little field trip. All right, now I'm on over here. All right, so we're heading out. We'll see if I stay connected to my headset here. And so I'm walking out. So I'm roughly 50 feet or so from the base. I haven't heard any audio notifications telling me I'm too far or disconnected or anything. And so now I may disconnect from my phone, because that's one of the features of this device, is that I'm able to connect to the base via DECT and my mobile phone via Bluetooth. And so I'm heading out to
the mailbox. I have the pool guys here today. I'm heading out. Again, I haven't heard. Okay, so my phone has just disconnected. So I just heard that my phone got disconnected. So I'm at my mailbox. So this would be, hey, look at, there's actually mail. I'm gonna go ahead and get my mail. And I'm gonna head, oh, and it's windy out here as well. So it's fairly windy. I don't know if you can see the trees up there moving around. I don't know if you can, my beard will move around. There it is, yeah, in the wind. But I haven't heard any audio notification that I'm disconnected. So I'm gonna head on back. Okay, now I'm in a Teams meeting, and so I'm recording this Teams meeting, and I do have voice isolation turned on. So I'm going to see if that impacts the performance of this microphone. And so currently, the decibel level here is, but I'm going to turn up the volume on the television so that you guys can hear how loud this thing can, or how well this voice isolation works. I'm going to just crank it all the way up. So right now,
exercising, walking,
okay,
moving your body,
yeah,
deep breathing, and making sure that you're eating well, balanced meals. All of those things can really contribute to just feeling differently throughout the day.
Yeah, 100% in fact, yes, for you. And what about if you're dealing with emotional burnout?
Yeah.
okay, so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink WH64 in a Microsoft Teams meeting with voice isolation turned on. All right, I got to turn that up. It's so loud. What we're doing now is we're going to test how well the WH64 by Yealink performs in a Zoom meeting with a blender running in the background. Now, I say that because this is a real world scenario. Every day, my wife goes out and she makes herself a protein smoothie and she uses the blender. Now, the blender is out in our kitchen, but I can still hear it, and it always seems to happen when I'm in a meeting. And so here's a blender here right in my home office here. And so I'm going to run it, and then we're going to see how well the microphone performs in a Zoom meeting with personalized audio isolation turned on in Zoom. All right, so let's see. So it's right in the background. So this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink WH64 and there was a blender running in the background. And again, in a Zoom meeting with personalized audio isolation turned on. Let's take a look and see how well this performs. So there you go. There's a quick overview, unboxing, and demo of the Yealink WH64. Let us know what you think about this headset in the comments. I wanted to add that you can actually change the microphone from the right side to the left side. And another thing that you can do is you can mute the headset simply by flipping the boom mic up. What do you think? What do you think of this headset? Is this valuable? Is this beneficial to have both DECT and Bluetooth in the same headset? Let us know in the comments. And as always, if you like this type of content, give us that like and subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Thanks.